In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Acuity Scheduling for events and classes. Acuity Scheduling is an excellent tool for managing appointments, and it can also be incredibly useful when you're organizing group events or classes. If you're new to this platform or just want a refresher on setting up group bookings, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, once you've logged into your Acuity Scheduling account, you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Appointment Types. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you'll manage all the different types of bookings you offer, whether they're one-on-one appointments or group events. Now, to create a new type of service specifically for a class or event, look for the button that says New Type of Service. Clicking on this will allow you to start setting up a new group booking. This is a crucial step because it differentiates your group events from individual appointments, allowing you to manage them more effectively. Next, we need to enable group booking. You'll see a checkbox labeled "This is a class or other group event." Check this box. By doing so, you're telling Acuity that this isn't just a regular appointment, but rather a session that can accommodate multiple people at the same time. This is a key feature for anyone looking to manage classes or events, as it allows you to handle registrations efficiently. Once you've enabled the group booking option, it's time to set the capacity for your event. You'll need to enter the maximum number of attendees you want to allow for this particular session. Think about the size of your venue or the optimal number of participants for your class. Entering this information ensures that you don't overbook and that each participant has a spot reserved for them. After setting the capacity, you'll want to fill in the remaining details. This includes the name of your service, the duration, and the price. These details are what your clients will see when they're booking, so make sure they accurately reflect the class or event. Once you've entered all these details, click on Create Appointment Type. This will save your new service and make it available for clients to book. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up a group event or class using Acuity Scheduling. This tool is a fantastic way to streamline your booking process, allowing you to focus more on delivering great experiences for your attendees rather than getting bogged down with the administrative tasks. Remember, the key to using Acuity effectively is keeping your appointment types organized and up to date. Regularly review your settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy scheduling!